Here's an update on the 20 Mile Creek project, the bridge in Hedley. I'm actually standing on what was the highway, and you can see that the detour bridge is in place and is being used. See if I can get across it here. So you remember that the detour bridge was put in, and it is now operational. That's actually the deck of the former bridge that's being torn apart. There's actually a walkway that's been added to this. Just take a little look down here at 20 Mile Creek. The project is progressing very well. This used to be an intersection here, and it's been changed to allow the traffic to move through this and get around this project as they're working on it. So far, so good.